Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. This is my first cleaning video in our new apartment and I'm so excited to share this with you. So, this is our situation on the night that we moved into this apartment. I have no plans yet to fully unpack all of our stuff because I was already tired from packing everything and cleaning our old apartment today. But I have to deep clean our kitchen tonight. I won't be able to sleep tonight thinking that our kitchen and bath are still dirty. I just thought that it's a necessity to clean our kitchen immediately because this is where we make our dishes and store our foods and everything. After the kitchen, I also quickly cleaned our bath since I don't want to use a dirty bathroom too. So, what happens is every time I have to clean both the kitchen and the bathroom, I always clean the kitchen first because I don't want to bring all the gross stuff from cleaning our bath into the kitchen where our foods are. Anyway, since you have seen our situation on our first day in our apartment, right now, let's start cleaning. My husband is helping me tonight in figuring out the best angle for the camera. That's why I looked over him and smiled. As usual, I'm going to clean from top to bottom. I'm going to start by wiping the entire top cabinets, every part of it from inside and out. By the way, I'm trying out for the first time this multi-purpose cleaner by necessity. If you're from New Zealand, you can buy it at the warehouse. I recently discovered that there are a lot of cheap cleaning items at the warehouse, so I kinda bought almost all of their cleaning products like this multi-purpose cleaner spray, their antibacterial cleaning wipes, the dishwashing liquid, and bleach. I wanted to know if the affordability of the products will compensate with the effectiveness of it in cleaning. I'll probably give you a feedback about it sometime. As for now, my first feedback would probably be that the multi-purpose cleaning spray from Necessity is good. I mean, it has a lemony smell. It's not as fragrant as the Ajax cleaning spray that I used to use, but this Necessity one is not sticky, so I kind of like it more than the Ajax one because of that. But after several sprays, the spray itself is kind of not working anymore. I just don't know if I just got a poor functioning one or if every spray bottle that they have really stops functioning properly after a few times of using it. I decided to diffuse before continuing cleaning the rest of the kitchen. I'm going to diffuse Stress Away, Lemon, and Citrus Fresh. Well, I kind of just finished the lemon bottle here. I love diffusing while cleaning because it really sets the mood right.
But it's so hard to get to you. 'Cause when you see the sun, I see the moon. Buckets of water, millions of clouds, miles of road just to get where you are. Oh, I wish it wasn't so far. Thousands of dollars just to be near. Countless thoughts of you.
Now I'm going to organize the top cabinets. I decided to put in this big cabinet our food jars and the rest of our food supplies. During this time, I was just only estimating which ones will fit and which ones have to go with the other stuff.
I ain't asking for ransom, and I'm still not reacting. What am I waiting for? Am I Am I afraid I wanna talk to you? I should've stopped for you. Ooh. I've been waiting for a girl like you. But I don't know
I
if
have
I
to
should
categorize them so that I know which cabinet to open when I'm looking for something. Like in this area, I'm going to put all of our foods like the chips, pasta, and canned goods. I chose this cabinet to put all of our stuff needed for cooking like the cooking oil, soy sauce, and vinegar because this is the closest cabinet to the stove.
number ones that you got options. Cause any guy would be free falling. Lucky to have you. Number twos that you're real girl.
So my husband helped me in adjusting the divider so that the tall bottles would fit.
See that he's looking back at me. Am I afraid I wanna talk to you? I should've stopped for you. Ooh. I've been waiting for a girl like you. But I don't know.
This part is kind of overwhelming because I had to categorize all of these again. And again, I'm going to group all of the condiments like the ketchup into one group and then the spreads like peanut butter and Nutella into another group and so on.
I just can't stop thinking about it. Like what would have happened if I turned around and said something?
I've been waiting for a girl like you. Nah. But I don't know if I should make a move. Cause I may never come back here. And I may never see you again. But I won't forget that.
Now I'm wiping our bottom cabinets. I'm still not quite sure at this time what I'm going to put in these drawers. My first idea was to put all of our condiments in the first drawer because it's right below our stove, so I kind of feel like those should be there. Unfortunately, some bottles won't fit inside the drawer, so I had to look for another place for them.
Keep talking all your shit. Wondering how all this started. You left me broken hearted. You flip my words, yeah, this love hurts. Keep talking all your shit. Oh, keep talking all your shit, baby. Your words, they're driving me crazy. Keep talking all your shit, baby. You know that I don't fuck with all your
In this area, I'm already sure that I'm going to put all of our pots and pans here.
I'm drowning in liquor. Never been sicker. I'm not sober with you no more. With you no more. Yeah, yeah. Telling me you want me bad, but I know it's all an act. Something you say to get you away. Keep talking all your shit.
Eventually, I decided to put all of our condiments in this area. Later, I'm going to show you everything and I'm really satisfied with how everything went.
Oh, keep talking all your shit, baby. Your words, they're driving me crazy. Keep talking all your shit, baby. You know that I don't fuck with all your little games. The way you make me feel, I've in so much pain. I'm drowning in liquor. Never been sicker. I'm not sober with you no more.
Of course, I'm going to put all of our cleaning supplies in our under the sink cabinet. This one's better looking than the one that we have in our previous apartment. It's also a lot bigger and I'm so happy about it. Right in this area, I'm going to put our other supplies like our dishwashing sponges, paper towels, towel cloths, and things like that.
I'm not stupid.
Now I'm washing all of the new stuff that we bought. We actually bought a lot of stuff for our kitchen because we almost have nothing for ourselves. So we got a cutlery tray for our spoons and forks. We also bought our own spoons and forks and other cutleries for the house. We bought new dishware like plates, bowls, etc. Also, we got new cooking spoons and other kitchenwares. It was so exciting buying this stuff because we get to choose our own designs and everything. I also bought these small jars for some of our items in small packs like the lentils, 5 spices, and sesame seeds. So I'm just going to transfer them into these small jars and they're good to go.
When I saw your face, cause your eyes held me captive. Ooh, I ain't asking for ransom, and I'm still not reacting. What am I waiting for? Am I afraid I wanna talk to you? I should've stopped for you. Ooh, I've been waiting for a girl like you, but I don't know if I should make a move. Cause I may never come back here, and I may never see you again. But I won't forget that ocean blue, your ocean blue. There's some things that I know about you. Number one's that you got options, cause any guy would be free falling. Lucky to have you.
Now I'm just wiping our counter so that I could put the rest of our stuff here. So my plan is to put our spice rack in the counter together with a bowl of onions and garlic so that I could easily access them when I'm cooking. Plus, I really don't have a choice since I don't have anywhere else to put them. I just hope that it won't look messy.
For a girl like you, but I don't know if I should make a move. Cause I may never come back here, and I may never see you again. But I won't forget that ocean blue.
Also, we bought a new bread toaster and we chose a white one to complement with our kitchen.
Thinking about it, like what would have happened if I turned around and said something?
I've been waiting for a girl like you.
And this is the before and after.
She may be pretty, she may be smart, she may be funny, she's changed your broken heart. I'll never be her, although I try. She may seem perfect for you, but so am I. That I know it's wrong to take what I like.
I'm really satisfied with how everything looks like. Also, as promised, I'm going to show you the inside of each cabinet so that you could see how I organized them.
Don't, 'cause I know one will love you like me. I want like me. She makes you smile, she makes you laugh, she makes you laugh.
Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I hope that you love this video as much as I do because I'm really proud with how everything turned out. And I know that I will be able to sleep soundly tonight knowing that when I wake up, our kitchen is already ready for cooking.
It's wrong to take what I like.
Join me in organizing and decorating the rest of the house and I'll be sure to post the video soon. Anyway, don't forget to hit like if you like this video and leave a comment down below. Also, if you haven't subscribed already, I would greatly appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video!